I have a KitchenAid oven, model #KGSS907SSS02, and here's the problem. The oven will start and run for a few minutes, heating up to around 400 degrees or so, then it cuts out with an error message that reads E1F1 Replace Oven AM. I can restart the oven, and it will start, but again, it will only run for a few minutes before it cuts out again. It started doing this about 2 months ago, but it would only cut out once or twice a week. Now it's down to cutting out about every 3 to 4 minutes. I didn't see this particular problem listed under this model #XXXXX your site. Any advice would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXXX. I look forward to helping you. That error code indicates that the main controller, or AM board, Appliance Manager Board, has an error internally. This electronic control is self-diagnosing, so that is why it is displaying the error. Internal error F1 E1 Replace Oven Appliance Manager Procedure. Before proceeding, perform steps 1 through 3 above chart to enter the diagnostics mode. A. Unplug range or disconnect power. B. Replace the appliance manager. C. Replace all parts and panels before operating. D. Plug in range or reconnect power. E. Verify operation is normal. Go to step 1 and complete checks. The Appliance Manager Board will need to be replaced. There is no other part that can make that error display. The AM board is shown as number 34 in the diagram below. It is mounted below the cooktop and accessed by removing the panel from behind the knobs. The correct board for your model is pictured and available below. All connections simply unplug and plug in, so replacement is quite simple. Please let me know if you have additional questions or need clarification. There is no additional charge for any follow-up help. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. If you have any other questions, please let me know. You may continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.